Hello and welcome to this overview of the on-demand section of your Execulink TV service. With on-demand, you can find TV shows, movies, and music that you can watch at any time. To access the on-demand part of the menu, click the blue button on your remote control. The on-demand section is divided into these categories. Crave will show you Crave content if you are subscribed to Crave. Browse All will show all on-demand content. Kids will show kid-friendly content. Movies will show all movies on demand. TV will show all TV shows on demand. Free will show all free content on demand. Rentals will show rental programming currently offered on demand. And Adult will show adult content. Press OK to see these results. You can block this option using parental controls. To rent an on-demand movie, go to the Rental section of the On-Demand menu and press OK on your remote. Use the different filters on the left to find the movie you are looking for. Use the arrow keys to highlight the movie you wish to rent and press OK on your remote. Click the Rent button to rent the movie. After you click the Rent button, a pop-up will show to indicate you need to enter your 4-digit PIN number. Enter your PIN and press OK. The program will now begin. Your rented programs are listed beside Continue Watching on the menu for future reference.